پیش دوست خوبمون هستیم نهت.
Yeah.
Where come from, Nehat?
I live here in Germany. I come from Kosovo. Yeah.
From Kosovo.
From Kosovo. Yes.
Yeah, good. به خاطر همینه که رفتارش خیلی خیلی گرمه. That's the reason you are so warm and
So small,
friendly.
yeah.
friendly. خب نهت میخواد یه مقدار راجع به مرسدس ها برامون توضیح بده، یه کوچولو راجع به این V8 بهمون بده، این کشتی ship Starship.
Starship, yes. It's a Albanian ship. This is a GLE 63 V8 V-turbo, one of our most beautiful cars, most beautiful SUV coupes, a really monster with 612 PS. So yeah, 100% power.
Yeah, can you open the doors?
It's open.
It's open.
It's open, yes. This car is white with full options. Only Burmese is missing, but everything else is in it.
It's 168,000?
68,000, yes.
It's like an S-Class.
A little bit more like SS, but it's the car has a very high list price, but also here the car has nearly full options, and the car has waiting time from over a year. So if you order now one, you are lucky to get one, and if you order today one, I cannot tell you if you get it at the end of next year. Maybe if you're lucky, but maybe not. So they are really there are not so much cars on the market, so that cars that are on the market are expensive.
Yeah, good. And how much is the consumption for the V8?
Excuse me?
How much is the consumption for the in 100 kilometers?
50 liters, 60, yeah, so around
16.
you can 16, yeah, 16. You can drive it also with 20. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, you can drive it with 12, with 30. Yeah, that's your case.
No. It's so expensive. The car is good, but the pay for the it's diesel, yeah.
No. It's a petrol.
It's a petrol.
Yeah. AMG is not yet with diesel.
Okay. Yeah. Go in here. It's GLC 300E.
300E, our new GLC as a plug-in hybrid, with quite 100 kilometers electric, and SUV with great electric performance. Very popular now on the market because no other brand can make this kind of electric range in the kilometers. Only Mercedes-Benz. So it's a great car.
Yo.
With a new technique in the inside, the technology of the S-Class.
Good. Okay. And
here's the battery because here you have a small amount of space, or a small amount of space. You have a normal diesel or normal petrol. The space is a little bit higher, So because the battery takes a little bit of space on the downside.
And I think
the space on the back is okay.
And I think that compared to the normal electric, if something happened for the battery and need a change, it can be easier.
It can be easier, but it's. I don't think you have to change because you have guarantee on everything on that.
And how long is the guarantee? 2 years?
For the car, 2 years. Yeah. For the battery, about 6 to 8. Yeah.
Okay, that's good. Okay.
They make the electric, no? So you just put the cable on, and then the green light will flash on, and then the loading has started. That's just for the electric. This one just to show, is for the when you load it at home. Yeah?
Okay.
And this one is to load it fast. So if you find on a German Autobahn a fast loading station, yeah, so you can charge it now.
But it's an option.
It's option. It's option. It's option. Yeah.
But
It's
for
option.
the GLC, it's needed because I think
It's not needed. It's nice to have. It's option. It's nice to have if you drive often long ranges or often Autobahn. But if you load often at home, it's not needed. You know?
Okay.
It's nice to have. It's not necessary. And if you take the normal petrol, you have to put this button, and then on the other side, no, it will open.
Come here.
Then you can put it on the petrol.
Good.
Yeah.
Yeah. And the lights. The light is a new innovation.
Yes, the light is a new digital light. No, in prototype we have multi-beam. Yeah, and now it's a digital light with more than 1 million pixels on each side, and also this car has a projection function. So if you drive on a Baustelle, yeah, you can see a bugger on it. But if you drive on the wrong side, so in German we say Gegenverkehr, where the cars drive to you, it shows you a sign and don't change your direction, so the car helps you and to be more safety.
But it's now allowed it in the Germany that using the projection in the Autobahn.
It's allowed.
Yeah?
It's allowed. Yes, it's allowed.
Okay, good. And compared to the because I saw that the Audi and BMW created this type of the projection. Do you know the information about them? Okay.
No comment about it. No. I don't know about this, that they created it, but it's new in our brand. You know? I also think it's new in the completely automotives. Yeah? I don't know another brand that make this kind of things. Yeah? Maybe, but I don't think so.
Okay, good. Can we see the engine? Oh, monsieur. It's one is for camera and one is for projection.
Right.
بریم سراغ موتورش. Oops.
Very clean.
Yeah, very clean. It's very clean. And how much cost the maintenance? It's expensive.
No, because if you have a normal diesel or normal petrol, if you put the bremse or if you drive if you drive, all the power that goes away goes here in the battery. So it's otherwise than a normal petrol or diesel. The maintenance is one time per year. The small about 500 to 600 euros here. Yeah, the big one 700 to 800 euros. Depends on how much you drive.
Okay. Okay, that's good. And a bit inside?
No problem.
Oh, okay. نیا کنید این دیزاین جدیدشه، نیا کنید دست کامل دست من مثلا میتونه بره. این باعث شده که آیرودینامیک ماشین بیشتر بشه و همینطور هم خوشگل‌تر بشه هم آیرودینامیکش. توی پکیج نایت پکیجشون تمام اینا مشکی، تو پکیج آوانگاردشون اینا کروم هست. میتونید ببخشید کروم انتخاب بکنید، همینا رنگ کروم داره. اوکی. A bit about the inside.
Shall we go on the other side?
You can sit here. از پشت بشین تو. بیا بشین پشت. بیا من در باز کنم. میتونی بشینی؟ برو امتحان کن. بیا میشین؟
بله.
Okay.
So this is the new generation, like the technology from the S class. Yeah. So you have the new steering wheel. You have here left one touchpad and on the right another touchpad. The left one is for the left side. Nah? The right one is for this side. But also here you have like a big tablet. Yeah. So everything here is touch. Nah? So everything you see, you can make via touch. Yeah. Here. Here is the for the options for the tempomat. Yeah? So you can set 100, 120, and then it will
For drive assistance.
For drive assistance, yes, and automatically if you activate it, the steering wheel will drive automatically and hold the distance to the front car. Now, here you can make the navigation. You can put your telephone on. You can make two phones pairing at the same time. Now, here you can change the ambient light. You have 64 colors now that you can choose. Now, also what is new, the ambient light now reacts on how you drive. If there's a situation where a car comes near to you, where you drive without setting the lights, it will react and say keep on a warning light like a red one.
Oh, it's intelligent.
Yeah, it's intelligent ambient light. And yeah, what also is here are the dynamic here now. You can choose to drive in sport mode, in comfort mode, or in full electric mode. Yeah, and they can choose it. Now.
And it has the what's the name, off-road.
It also has an off-road mode. Yes, depends on how if you choose the aromatic option. No, but it also has an off-road mode. Yes.
Okay, that's good. Yeah, sehr gut.
No?
Ja, schön.
If you would have a panorama dach, we could open it here, but it don't has it.
Yeah, good.
Yeah. You can also put on here a profile. When you get your car, we will make that also. So now so when you receive your car, your picture will be here, and then with your phone you can look where your car is. You can open the doors. You can open the what is called the windows. And you can put a navigation from your phone directly on the car. So there are many options you can make also after you receive the car.
Yeah, good.
Yeah.
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 Thank you. امیدوارم که تا اینجا اطلاعات کافی باشه. ویدیوی بعدی میریم موقع تست درایو میگیریم. یه ویدیوی دیگه داشته باشید. خدا